Welcome back, Dines Nation, to another cooking experience. Today I will be preparing for you creamy breadfruit salad. For this, we will need a full breadfruit, looking like this. This breadfruit that you will be using should be full. And this is how it looks when it is ready to roast. This will give you, using this breadfruit, it will give you a smooth texture to make this salad. So I will be using half of the breadfruit. But did you know that breadfruit was introduced to Jamaica by Captain Blythe in 1793, and it has become one of our favorite staples in Jamaica? We mostly like to have roast breadfruit with ackee and saltfish. But other than roasting, it can be baked, used to make cakes, drinks, etc. It is high in potassium and contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. Now, today we will need a pack and a half of coconut milk to make this breadfruit salad. Some scallion. I'll be using both purple and white scallion, onion. Some scallion, mixed vegetable, red, green and yellow bell peppers, some garlic and chicken cubes, a tin of sweet corn, well, I'll be cutting the breadfruit in two. And ensure that you have a bowl with some water, that when you peel the breadfruit, so I'll peel it like so. Ensure that you take out the heart. This is the heart of the breadfruit. This is the heart. You see how it looks? When the heart is removed, you have to remove this from the breadfruit. You cannot cook this. So you cut the breadfruit, put it in some water. Do it like this, like so. Have to get rid of the skin. You don't need that. Remove the heart. See, this is butter. This cannot eat. You have to remove it. You have to cut it out. Get rid of it. Here is butter as well. And you will not know this until you start to peel the breadfruit, to prepare it. So you put it in some water to prevent it from turning brown. when you do it like this, then you cut it. Like so, like this size. We don't want them bigger than that size. This size. That size is good to make this salad. If you want to cut them much smaller, you can too. Like so. So we will move this over into our coconut milk. So we have our coconut milk and we had our garlic powder and some chicken cubes. To that we will add some scallion and onion, because we will use this. This is for seasoning the milk and also to give the breadfruit flavor. So to that we will add our breadfruit. And we allow this breadfruit to cook between 12 and 15 minutes. So we'll be right back when this breadfruit is okay. Guys, I transfer the breadfruit from the pot into this bowl. So this is how it is going to look. Creamy. This is how it's going to look. And that is the reason why we won't need any mayonnaise. To this, we will add some yellow, red, green bell peppers. Give it some taste. Some scallion. Some onion. Some scallion. Mixed vegetable. And some sweet corn. And you toss. have this. So guys, this is my creamy breadfruit salad. There you go, my creamy breadfruit salad. Hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more on how to prepare these healthy, nutritious meals. This will help me to help you. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and remember to share with your families and friends. I love to communicate with my ardent supporters, so leave a friendly comment in the comment section down below. Go ahead, enjoy this healthy meal, maintain a good heart, and one love, peeps.